First perform what? Right join. So if you perform right join, you'll get all the rows from which table? Department table. You'll get all the rows from department table. There is a department, what's our operations department. Employee name is what? Null. So there is a department operations. Employee name is what, sir? Null. Employee name is null. Okay, then understood. So then if employee name is null, that means employee name is null. So that means this is unmatched record from department. Unmatched record from department means not matching to any employee. So there is no employee belongs to this department. Then employee name is what, sir? Null. Now select the record whose name is null. How? Where what? E dot e name is null. Select the record whose name is null. That's it. Then. So what is this query? This query will return then. This query will return whose name is what, sir? Null. Understood? Then. In our example, what is the department? What is the department? Operations. Unmatched record from then. Null what? Operations. Unmatched records from right side table. Operations not matching with any employee. So this is unmatched from department. Understood? Not matching to any employee. Next one. I want from both the tables. Then I want unmatched records from both the tables. Then first to perform what? First perform what? Full join. First perform full join. If you perform full join, then you'll get what's it? All the rows. You'll get all the rows. You'll get all the rows from both the tables. Yes. But I want to select only unmatched from left side. I want to select unmatched from left side, unmatched from right side. How to select unmatched from left side? Where department name is null. How to select unmatched from right side? Employee name is null. If department name is null, select. If employee name is null, select. Then what the condition? Where what d dot d name is null. D dot d name is what? Null. Next. And what? E dot e name is null. Okay, na? Then end means what? End means both conditions must be true. Here what, sir? Let's go to this one. Here what is null? What is null? D name. D name is null, but E name is not null. Then it is not selected. Here what is this? Here E name is null, but D name is not null. This is not selected. You see that? No output. End means both conditions must be true, bars. Okay, na? Both must be true. If both are null, then selected. What is the meaning? Both must be null. If both are null, selected. But here, you see this. Here in this case, what then? Here D name is null. Here E name is null. Then what you have to write? If D name is null, select. If E name is null, select. Then what is the operator? Not end. End means E name must be null, D name must be null. But here what's it? Here D name is null. Here E name is null. Then what? If E name is null, select. If D name is null, select. Then what must be the operator? R. Then understood. Now, what is this query? This query gives what? Then what is this query? This query gives what's it? Then E what? Null. E what's it? Null. Then null. Next one, operations. Okay, na? E null, null operation. That's all. So it is returning both unmatched records from both the tables. That's all. Now you know, now you can write queries for all these 7. Huh? Now you can write queries for all the 7. Yes, no. Yes. Then this one. Yes. You can write queries for all the 7 joins. Okay, that's oh, oh, okay. Okay. Okay then. Now, sir, here, just see this once again. The two tables are given to you. Okay, now you try this one. What is that is then? For example, two tables are given to you. These are the two tables. Employee project. Earlier we taken employee department. Now we are taking employee what's it? Project. Employee project. Then from these two tables, write these queries. What the first query is? Display employee details with what's it? Project details. Employee details with project details. Employee details are there in what? EMB table. Project details are there in project table. I want data from two tables. Then what? Join is required or not? Yes. So then if they don't mention anything, then inner join. So is these two tables sharing any common field? Yes. Can you perform inner join between these two tables? Yes. So then, okay, next one. Here for this query, you have to perform inner join. Next one. One question is like this. What is display employee details with what's it? Employee details with project details and also display employees not assigned to any project. Employee details with project details and also display employees not assigned to any project. I want to see the employees who are not assigned to any project. Then, okay, now I want to see the employees not assigned to any project. Then see once again, if you write inner join, this is selected, but this is not selected. If you do the inner join, yes or no? Because this is unmatched record. But what is asking employee details with project details and also display employees not assigned to any project. This employee not assigned to any project is asking this one also. Then what, what join? Left join, left. What join? Left join returns all the rows from left side table, matching rows from right side table. Next one. Suppose then what the third one is? Third one is display only the projects where no employee assigned to it. Display only the projects where no employee assigned to it. Display only the projects where no employee assigned to it. Then what? Right join. Display only the projects where no employee. So 100 employee assigned to 100. Yes. 101 employee assigned to 101. Yes. Okay. Then. Okay. So is asking only one or two. Is asking only one or two. Is not asking. Display only the projects where no employee assigned to it. One or two. Employee not assigned to one or two. 100 100 project, one employee assigned to 100, one employee assigned to 101, but no employee assigned to 102. Is asking only 102. Then unmatched records, unmatched record from project table. Then first right join, first right join and select the project where no employee assigned to it. That means employee details are what, sir? Null. Select the project where employee name is null. Sir, okay na? That's it. So in this three, I covered all the three. What the first one? Inner join. This is left join. This is only unmatched records. This is only matching records. This is matched plus unmatched. This is only unmatched. Okay. Then okay. Next. That's what the next one? What the next one? One is left. Cross join or what's that? Cartesian join. Then cross join or Cartesian join. Okay. Then so then cross join. Okay. Then so cross join returns what? Cross join. Cross join returns cross product. Cross product or Cartesian product. You can say cross product or Cartesian product. Cross product of two tables. Cross join returns cross product of two tables. Cross product. What is cross product means? If you take A equals to 1, 2, B equals to 3, 4. A equals to 1, 2, B equals to 3, 4. A cross B. A cross B equals to 1, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4. That's it. This is the cross product between two sets. This is the cross product between what's the two sets. Okay, then. So what I want is I want cross join between two tables. What is the cross product between two sets means here? All the elements of A combined with all the elements of B. All elements of A combined with all the elements of B or not. 1 is combined with 3, 4. 2 is combined with 3, 4. All elements of A combined with all the elements of B. So this is cross product between two tables. If you do the cross join between two tables, all records of first table join with all the records of second. All the records of first table join with what? All the records of what's it? Second table. Suppose, for example, earlier, see how you join. This is table 1. Okay, na? This is table 1. Table 1 contains 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next one. Table 2. This is table 2. Table 2 contains what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then. So table 1, table 2. Next one. Suppose here, in this, what we did, inner join, left outer, right outer, what we did, non-equijoin. Here, one record is joined with another record. This record is joined with this record. This record is joined with this record. This record is joined with this record. Yes or no? You join like this. But in cross join, suppose table 1, table 1, 1, 2, 3. Table 2, what's that? Table 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then table 1, 1, 2, 3. Table 2, what's that? 1, 2, 3. See, what is this is? This is joined with what's that? All the records of second table. Join with all the records of second table. This is joined with what's that? All the records of what's that? Second table. And this is joined with what? All the records of what? Second table. That's it. Okay. All records of first table joined with all the records of second table. This is cross join. Okay. Na? So like if cross join performed between two tables, then all records of what? First table. All records of first table. Then all records of first table joined with all records of what? Second table. Okay. All records of first table joined with all the records of second table. Understood? Okay. Then next. So How to perform cross join? Sir, here, suppose you want to join this record with this record. You want to join this record with this record. You want to join this record with this record. Okay. If you want to join one record with a particular record of second table, you want to join one record with a particular record of second table, then compulsory what is required? Join condition is required. Yes or no? You want to join this record with not all the records. You want to join this record with particular record of second table. When you want to join with particular record of second table, what is required? Join condition is required. Yes or no? But here, sir, here, when you want to join one record with all the records, you want to join this record with all the records of second table. When you want to join with all the records of second table, join condition is not required. You understood? When you want to join with particular record, join condition is required. When you want to join with all the records, join condition is not required. Okay. So to perform cross join, you can submit the join query without join condition. Cross join condition is not required. Okay, na? For cross join condition is what, sir? Not required. So to perform cross join, okay, then to perform cross join, so we can submit the query without. So submit the query to perform cross join. Submit the join query without condition, without join condition. Okay, then how means like this. Suppose let's say e dot e name d dot d name from emp as e, what cross join department as d. That's it. So emp as e, cross join department as d. That's it. Understood? Then now let's run the query. Execute this query. All the rows of emp table join with all the rows of department table. All the rows of department table join with all the rows of emp table. Department table is having 4 rows. emp table is having 15 rows. There is a call accounts department. Accounts department join with all the 15 employees. Research is joined with all the 15 employees. Sales is joined with all 15. Operations is joined with all 15. So tell me this query returns how many rows? 60 rows. 4 into 15. 15 into 4. 60 rows. Yes or no? Okay. Then account joined with 15 rows. 15 employees. 15 rows. Research is joined with 15. 15 plus 15. 30. Sales is joined with 15. 30 plus 15. 45. Next research is operations is joined with 15. 45 plus 15. 60. See this here. Then you see the output. Account joined with all 15. Research is joined with all 15. Sales is joined with all 15. Operations is joined with what's that? All the 15. Okay. That's it. Understood? That's it. But any use of this? Actually, this gives wrong, incorrect data. This gives what? Incorrect. Actually, Smith belongs to research department. Smith is actually belongs to research. This is wrong or not? Yes. So Smith research is correct. Smith sales is what? Wrong. Smith operations is wrong. If one row is correct, remaining 3 rows are wrong. That means only 15 rows are correct. Remaining 45 rows are what's wrong. So this gives incorrect output. Okay. So when it is required, when you want to join all the records with all the records of second table, then go for cross join. Okay. Then when there is a requirement, then in that case use this. That's all. So these are the what, sir? The different joins. The different joins in SQL Server. So if they ask first, they'll ask what is join? What is the purpose of join? What is the purpose of join? To like to get the data from multiple tables. To fetch data from multiple tables, then join. Okay. Next, they will ask what are the different types of joins. You have to say 3: inner join, outer join, cross join. Inner join we have again 3. Equi, non-equi, self. Next one, outer join. Outer join also we have 3. Left, right, full. Okay. Mainly 3. Inner, outer, cross. That's that. So now that. Next one. Sir, here, group by? Huh? Group by? What for group by? Huh? Grouping the rows. Grouping the rows. You group the rows based on particular field wise. Group by department, group by job, group by, okay, na, year, like that. Why you group? Group by is for grouping. But why you group the rows? My aim is to calculate what's the max, min, sum, average count for each group. Okay, not from the whole table. I want to calculate these values particular field wise, department wise count, job wise count. Then if you want particular field wise min, max, sum, average count, then we use group by. Suppose I want department wise count. Then tell me how you write the query. Select department number, department wise number of employees. Okay, na? Once again, if you write count star, what is count star gives? Total count in the company. In company, how many employees are there? 15. But I don't want total number of employees in company. I want number of employees department wise. Then what? Group by department number. So grouping is based on department. But if you show like this, then confusion is which department count is 1, which department count is 3, which department count is 5, like this. Then in the output show the department number also. Then department number count as CNT count. So this is null. Let's remove this. Otherwise keep it, no problem. Then what is this gives? Department wise count. 10th department how many? 3. 20th 5. 30th 6. 14. So here null 1. No employee belongs to what's it? No employee belongs to this one. Count is what's it? 1. Understood that? Okay, na? Then next one. So then, but what user is asking? They don't like to see the codes. Users, they don't like to see the what's that? Codes. They like to see the names. They don't like to see the department codes. They like to see the department what's that? Names. Okay, na? Then if you show 10, 20 means they don't know. 10th is accounts, 20 is research, 30 is sales. They don't know. So instead of showing the department number, show the department name. But from where we can get the department name? Sir, I'll ask department name. Then immediately what you do? Then instead of department number, you write what's sir? D name. D name. So you say group by what's sir? D name. Will it work? No, it will not work because D name is not there in EMP table. D name is there in what's sir? Department table. Then what you have to do? Join. Salary belongs to count. Count what do you want? Employee count. Yes or no? Count is employees counter, department counter, employee count. But in the output, you want to show the department name. So department name belongs to department table. So you want data from 2 tables. Then what? Join. EMP as E. Next one. Inner join department as D. Then group by what's that? D dot D name. Count is what's that? Employee count. E dot EMPN. Counting number of employee numbers. Counting employee numbers means number of employees. Yes or no? Otherwise, leave it count star only. No problem. Okay, na? Then counting employee numbers means number of employees only. So then, but group by what? Department name. D dot D name. Then, so when you write join query, compulsory what you have to give? Join condition. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Then So group by department name dot. Understood now? Then run the query. Now this query will show department wise counts. Sir, what is this is here? Here in this query, we are doing two. What that is? Join plus group by. Actually, you learn join separately, group by separately, but in this query, you are performing both join and group by. Okay, na? Why join? Because I want department wise count, department wise employee count. So employee count is calculated from EMP table, but department name belongs to department table. You want data from two tables. Then what? Join the two tables. Okay, then. So, but what is asking is asking department wise count. Then what is required? Group by. Group by is required. Okay, na? Then. So this is an example for what's that? Group by and what's that? Join. Okay, group by and join. Okay, na? What is the syntax? Select what's that? Columns from table 1. Next one, join table 2. Next one, on join condition group by column name. Okay, then example, what then? Display what's that? Department wise number of employees, but in the output display department what's that? Names. So display department wise number of employees, display department names. Okay, na? Then now let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay, na? Understood. Then. So in the output, display department names. Don't display the department number, display the department name. Okay. How this query is executed? How this query is executed? Understood. Suppose I'm taking this table. I'm taking these two tables. Okay, na? Then I'm taking these two tables. Then. So first, what is executed? First, what is the execution from? What is executed? From is executed first. In from what you are written? EMP table and department table. So this is EMP. This is what's it? Department. Okay. Next. Next one. After from what is executed? Join condition. Join is executed on condition. Okay. Then so this will join the records. This record is joined to what's it? This record is joined to this record. Yes. Next one. This record is joined to this record. 20 is joined to 20. Yes or no? Next one. This record is joined to this record. 30 is joined with 30. Okay. Then 30 joined to 30. Next one. This record is joined to this record. This is 10. This is 10. This is joined to this one. This is joined to this one. 10 joined to this 10. Okay, now? Then this is joined to this one. Yes or no? Next one. So this is 20. This is what's said 20. Then this is joined to this one. Okay, na? 20 what's said research. 20 research. Understood that. So this record is joined to this record. This record is joined to this one. This is joined to this one. This is joined to this one. Okay. What is the next one? What is the next one? Group by. Grouping is based on what's that? Department name. Group by D name. That means employees who belongs to the same department becomes one group. Then what happens? Accounts becomes what's that? One group. Accounts becomes one group. What are the records belongs to this group? What are the records belongs to this group? 1A, 3000. What are the next one? 4D, 3000. 4D, 3000. Accounts becomes one group, na? So this is accounts group. Then this becomes one group. 1A, 3000. 4D, 3000. Just I'm taking only three. Next one. What is the next one? Research. So then research. How many rows belongs to this group? Two rows. What are the two rows? 2B 4,000. 2B 4,000. Next one 5E 2,000. This is one group. Next one sales becomes one group. What are the records belongs to this group? 3C 3C what's that? 5,000. 3C 5,000. Okay. Then so total how many groups are created? Three groups. What the next one is? Next one is select. What is the next one? Select. I'm just explaining the execution of this query. What is executed next? Select is executed. In select, what you are selecting? What you are selecting? D name. What is the D name? It go to first group. Select D name. What is the D name? Accounts. And count the employee numbers. How many employee numbers are there? Two. Count is two. Okay. Go to second group. Select the department name. Reset. And apply the count function on this group. Count of employee numbers. How many employee numbers? Two. Next one, sales. Sales. And select the department name. Sales. What the count is? One. That's all. So this is the execution. You write query like this, but background it's executed like this. First it go to the table, apply the join condition. After applying the join condition, then group the records based on name. From each group, it will count the number of rows. Understood? Then. Okay. Then. So what this is? Example of what's that? Group by and what's that? Join. Next. You try what then? Display. What's that? Display. What grade wise? What's that? Number of employees. How many? Grade 1 employees, how many? Grade 2 employees, how many? Grade 3 employees, how many? Like this. Grade wise number of employees. Understood? Then. And another one, another query. Display number of employees working under each manager. Number of employees working under what, sir? Each manager. Smith. Suppose Blake is there. How many employees working under Blake? King. How many employees working under King? I want to show number of employees working under each manager. Okay. Then. So next one. Suppose then you try these queries. Then next one. Suppose, for example, this is another one. Okay. Once again. So this is like another one. What is this is then? Oh, you take another one. So this is what's it? Three tables. What are the three tables? Then next one. Then suppose there are three tables. What is the table? One table is what? Sales table. What is sales table? Stores sales data, date ID, product ID, customer quantity, amount. What the meaning of this is? So and so date. So and so what's her date? They're storing the data since 2020 onwards. They're storing the sales data since 2020. So in 2020, January 1st, one product is sold to the customer. 2020, January 1st, product 100 sold to customer 10. What is the quantity sold? 1. What is the amount? 1000. So then whenever the product is sold to the customer, a data is inserted into this table. When product sold to the customer, a row is inserted into this table. Next one, products table. Then this is the product. But here in sales table, what is there? Product ID is there. What is the product ID? 100. 100. But what do you want? Suppose these product details are there in another table. What the table is? Products table. Product ID, name, next one, price, category. Product ID, name, price, category. Okay, na? Next one. So in this, customer ID 10. Okay, na? Then. So this product is sold to customer 10. Okay, customer 10. Customer 10 details are there in another table. What the table is? Customer table. Okay, na? Then. So these three tables are given to you. From this, what they're asking is display what's the category wise total amount. Display Category wise total amount is asking to calculate the total amount, but category wise, but actual table, sales table, amount is there. What's sir? Product wise amount is there, but you summarize up to what's sir? Category wise. This amount represents what? By selling the individual product, by selling what's sir? Individual product, then amount is there. But what do you want? Category wise. I want category wise total amount. I want what sir? Category wise total amount. Then what you have to do? Group by. Group by category. Category wise calculate total amount, sum of amount. But amount belongs to sales table, category belongs to products table. Then what do you have to do? Join these two tables. Any common field is there? Yes. What is the common field? Product ID. Next is asking country wise total amount. But actual table contains customer wise amount. Customer wise amount. Okay, na? But is asking country wise total amount. Yes or no? Then understood. Then customer wise total amount. Okay, sorry, country wise total amount. Then you have to group by what's her country. Understood. Then next. So next one, year wise, country wise, category wise total amount. Then now year wise, this contains date wise, but is asking what? Year wise. Year wise what? Country wise, category wise total amount. That means you have to join three tables. So how many join conditions required? Two join conditions. One is between sales and products. Another is between products and customer. Okay, then that's all. So all these examples are what's it? Okay, na? All these examples are group by and what? Join. That's it. So what the next topic is? Set operators. Okay, then now. So there are four set operators. One is union, next union all, next one intersect, next one except. Okay, na? There are four set operators: union, union all, intersect, except. Okay, then. So in mathematics, you perform these operations between two sets. Okay, na? You know these operators in mathematics. You perform this between two sets. Suppose set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B equals to 1, 2, what's that? 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay. A union B. A union B is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, comma 6. So what this is? A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose A union all B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 5, 6. What the difference is? Union, what eliminates what's that? Duplicates. Union eliminates what? Duplicates. But union all doesn't eliminate duplicates. A intersect what's her? B. A intersect B. Then what this is? 1, 2. A except B. A except B. Then 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, na? A except B means elements in A, not in B. What are the elements in A, not in B? 3, comma 4. 3, comma 4. Okay, then. So B except A. Then 5, comma 6. That's all. Understood then. So this is in mathematics. But in SQL, what? Okay, then. So in SQL, set operations performed between what's it? In SQL, what? Set operations performed between performed between what's it? Two two tables. In mass between two sets, but in SQL performed between two query outputs. Two query outputs, not exactly between two tables, between two query outputs. Query output means this is the query output. Suppose select e name from EMP where department number equals to 20. What is this is? Query output. This is query output. So set operations are performed between two query outputs. Okay. That means what the syntax is? Syntax is like this. Select what columns from suppose table. Next one. Then what's that? Union or what? Union all or intersect or except. Then select columns from table name. That's it. Understood? So this query returns some data. This query returns some data. You're performing these operations between data written by what's that? Two queries. Understood now? Then you then now understood or not? Then so select columns from table, union all, select columns from table. That's all. You're performing these operations between what's it? Two queries. Then you need to follow these rules. When you're performing, you need to follow these rules. One rule is, okay, number of columns. Number of columns written by two queries must be same. Number of columns must be same. Next one. Second one, corresponding columns what data type must be same. Number of columns must be same. Corresponding columns data type must be same. So these two rules need to be satisfied. Okay. Then, but before taking the example, I'll take two queries. I'll take what's it? Two queries. Select what? Job from EMP where department number equals to 20. What is this query returns? This query returns what's it? Jobs of the employees working for 20th department. Jobs of the employees working for 20th department. Okay. Then, so how many jobs? 5. There are 5 employees working for 20th. So it returns 5. Next one, 30. What is this query returns? Jobs of the employees working for 30th. Okay. 30th. Let's run this query. So this query returns 6 because how many employees working for 30th? 6 employees, their jobs. Okay. So this is the output of what's it? This is the output of what? Department 20. This is the output of what? Department 30. Okay. Then next. What the next one is? Union. Union. Okay. Now then union. So what is union? Union combines what's her? Rows. Union combines rows and hello boss. 1 second. See. Hello. You come here, please. Sit here. You. Yeah. You only. You. Yeah. Come. Because this is not for chit chatting. This is only for listening. Come. Either you come, otherwise please go out. You have two options. Come. So combines what's that? Rows and duplicates are not eliminated. Okay. Then not eliminated. Sorry. Duplicates are eliminated. Next. And the output is sorted. The result is sorted. That's it. Okay. Na? So 3 combines rows, duplicates are eliminated, result is sorted. Then, so now let's see the example. Then 1 second. So suppose then What is select what's that? Job from EMP where department number equals to 20. Department number equals to 30. 30. Then what is this is union. Okay, na? Union. Then next. So run this query. Run this query. Then what is the first query output? This is the first query output. Yes or no? This is the first query output. This is the second query output. These two outputs are what, sir? Combined. Okay. These two outputs are combined. Yes or no? And next one, duplicates are eliminated. So here, clerk is what? Duplicate, eliminated. Analyst, duplicate, eliminated. Salesman, duplicate, eliminated. Manager, eliminated. Salesman, eliminated. Clerk, eliminated. So what is the output? Clerk, manager, analyst. Plus one more. Result is sorted. Then what is the first one? Analyst. Then first it will show analyst, clerk, manager, salesman. That's it. So this is the output you'll get. Let's test. Then run this analyst, clerk, manager, salesman. Okay, now that's it. So what it is union is doing, combining the two queries outputs. Okay, then okay, now next. That's it. Okay, suppose that, for example, I like this job comma salary. Then what it combines? Jobs and salaries. Okay, error. I given a rule. One rule is what's that? Number of columns written by both queries must be same. Okay, na? Both queries must be same. First query returns 2. Second query returns 1. Union is not possible. You see the message. You see the message. What is the message? All queries combined using union intersect except must have equal number of expressions. But this is having two expressions. It is having one. Union is not possible. Suppose I'm writing like this, salary, comma, then salary, comma, then what? Huh? Salary, comma, then what? Error. Why? Then why? Because here there is one more rule. What is the rule? Corresponding columns data type must be same. Job is what type? Varchar. Salary is what type? Money type. So union is not possible. Okay, let's run this. Cannot convert character value to money. Data types are not same. But I'll write like this, job comma salary. Now it is possible. Yes. Number of columns same plus corresponding columns data type is also same. Then now run this query. That's it. So analyst 3000, clerk then. So it is combining the outputs, but duplicates are eliminated or not eliminated? Huh? Eliminated or not eliminated? 20th, how many rows are there? 5. 30th, how many rows? 6. 6 plus 5, 11. But you are getting 9. That means duplicates are eliminated or not? Yes, eliminated. Sir, actually, in table, there are two analysts ending 3000, but it is showing only one analyst 3000. There are two analysts ending 3000, but it is showing only one analyst 3000. In table, there are two salesmen sending 1300. There are two salesmen sending 1300, but it is showing only one salesman 1300. Here duplicate means not job, not salary. Here duplicate means job and salary combination is repeated, then it is called duplicate. Okay, na? Here combination is repeated, then it is called duplicate. Okay, na? It will not just consider job. It will not consider only salary. It will consider what's it? Understood? Okay, na? No. So that's the previous query is combining only the jobs, but this query is combining what's it? Job and salary. Okay, na? Then, oh, job in, oh, where, here, job and commission. Oh, yes. Will work or not? See, it doesn't know salaries, commissions are different. SQL Server don't know salaries are different, commissions are different. What SQL Server checks? Number of columns and data type. That's all. Understood? Yes. Salary 3000. Null. Commission. Okay. Na? Then from second table it is selecting jobs and commission. From first table it is selecting. From first query it is selecting job and salary. From second query it is selecting job and commissions. This nulls are what's are commissions. Okay. Then understood. Next. Now. Okay. Here, here, actually, there is a call what then? Then there is a call what's it? Data merging. Okay, na? Data what's it? Merging. Data merging. Merging means what? Combining. Merging was combined. Then. So, like what? Then. See here. There are two ways. Okay. You can combine the data in two ways. One is union. Another one, what's it? Join. Okay, na? In SQL Server, if you want to combine the data, there are two methods, union and join. Okay. What union? Union combines what's it? Union combines what? Rows. Join combines columns. Ename is the column belongs to empty table. Dname is the column belongs to department table. I want to combine this ename and dname. Then join. Okay. So union combines what's that? Rows. First query returns 3 rows. Second query returns 3 rows. 3 rows and 3 rows are combined. Maybe you'll get 6 rows. Yes or no? Okay, na? Ename is the column belongs to EMP. Dname is the column belongs to department. I want to show ename and dname. Then join. Okay. Then so merging can be done in two ways. Then one is union, one is join. So that is the reason. So then they will ask what is the difference between what's it? Union and what's it? Join. Okay. Then union versus join. So union, what's it? Union combines what? Rows. Union combines what's it? Rows. Join combines what? Columns. Combines join combines what? Columns. Then union what? Union then combines rows. Join combines what's it? Columns. Okay. Union. Okay, na? Then no. Union is called what's that? Union is called horizontal match. Union. Union is called what's that? Horizontal match. Horizontal. Rows means horizontal. Columns means vertical. So join is vertical match. Okay. Union is horizontal match. Join is what's that? Vertical match. Union is performed between what? Between what's that? Two query outputs. Between two query outputs. Yes or no? Join is performed between two tables. Between two tables. Okay. So union is performed between two query outputs. Join is performed between two tables. That's it. Okay, na? Then understood. Then so combine. You want to combine the rows. Union. You want to combine the columns of two tables. Okay. Then this is horizontal. This is vertical. Performed between two query outputs performed between two tables. Next. Then suppose let's take one example then. So suppose here EMP, what's that? US, ENO, ename, salary, DNO. Next one, EMP underscore IND, ENO, suppose ENO, ename, salary, DNO. So this table stores employees working at US. This table stores employees working at India. Suppose there is a company, that company has two branches. One is in US, one is in India. So one table stores employees working in US, one table stores employees working in India. There is one table, but the table is department table. So what this is? Department number, name, location. So this table stores all the departments in the company. Whatever the departments are there in the company, all departments are stored in this table. So one table stores employees working at US, one table stores employees working at India, one table stores department details. So these three tables are given to you. From these three tables, what they are asking is they want total employees list. They want total employees list. Then what? So 100 employees working in US, 100 employees working in India. They want total 200 employees data. Then what? Okay, na? They want total 200 employees data. Then what you have to write? Select star from what? EMP underscore what? US. Then union. Next what? Select star from EMP underscore India. That's all. First query returns 100 rows. Second query returns 100 rows. 100 plus 100 combined 200 rows. Understood? Then okay. So if this is the requirement, then you perform union. What is asking is then. So you wanted to see the employees working at what's that? US location with department details. Is asking only the employees working at US location. Okay. Employees working at US location with department. But here, what is there here? Department number is there, but is asking department details. How to get the department details? Join. Then what? Select what's that? E dot star, comma, E dot star, comma, D dot star. E dot star means all the fields. EMP underscore what? EMP underscore US as E inner join, department as D on what? E dot DNO equals to D dot DNO. So join these two tables based on the department number. If department numbers are equal, then join so that you'll get the department details. So he's asking employees working at US location with department details. Okay, then next one. So then I want to see the total employees. I want to see the total employees. I want to see the total employees working total employees with department details. Then total employees with department details. How to get the total employees? Union. You'll get the total employees, but department details. Then join. So in this query, you have to perform both union and join. For first query, union is enough. For second query, join is enough. For third query, union plus join. Now, what is this query gives? This query. What is this query gives? This query gives employees working at US with department details. Yes or no? Then what is this query gives? This query gives employees working at what's that? India with department details. Then what's that? Union. Understood? That's it. Okay, na? That's it. So this is the best example to understand when union, when join. That's it. Okay. Then so total employees, what? Union. Employees with department details, join. Total employees with department details, union and join. Then okay. What the next one is union all. Okay, na? Next one is what's it? Union order. Same like what? Combines rows. Combines rows written by two queries. Combines rows written by two queries. Then duplicates are not eliminated. Then and what? Result is not sorted. Okay, na? Then combines rows, duplicates are not eliminated. Result is not sorted. Okay, na? Then so now let's see what. Let's see this then. Union all. Union all. Let's remove this salary. Let's remove the salary. This one. Then I'm combining only the jobs. So first query done so many jobs? 5. Second query done so many? 6. 5 plus 6, 11. Okay, na? Because duplicates are not eliminated. Duplicates are not eliminated. Now see this output. What is this is clerk. Then clerk. Clerk, manager, analyst, clerk. So this is clerk, manager, analyst, clerk, analyst. This is 5. This 5 belongs to 20. What is this is? The 6 belongs to 30. Okay, 20 plus 30. Total 11. 5 rows,